Hi guys and welcome to Infamous 5. हमारा आज का जो topic है it revolves around education, how girls always overshine in education and whereas boys don't score as well as the girls, be it schools, be it universities, be it colleges or be it otherwise. What are the prime reasons behind this difference and what are the consequences of it also? So yeah, girls, I think we should start
Guys,
off and the boys should talk later.
ओके आई थिंक मुझे लगता है एलिमेंट्री लेवल से शुरू होता है और लड़कियां उस वक्त ज़्यादा फोकस्ड होती हैं बनिस्बत लड़कों के. वो फिर भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट रहते हैं, उनकी शरारतें उनके खेल कूद में वो ज़्यादा लगे रहते हैं. फिर इंटर लेवल आता है, मेट्रिकुलेशन आता है, यूनिवर्सिटी में फिर मुझे लगता है कि दोनों ही की सेम हो जाती है. गर्ल्स आर आल्सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, बॉयज आर आल्सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड.
I have a different point of view. Like I think कुछ लोग तो they're all rounders, they're good at every subject. But otherwise, I have personally noticed that guys have been better at subjects like mathematics and business, while girls have done better.
In
Girls
sciences.
have done better in
In
things like maybe
sciences.
English or psychology or something. So I think it's somewhat balanced.
Yeah,
It's-
but
it's
you know,
probably more-
normally if you look at institutes like if you look at any other convocations, you would see girls scoring much higher grades than boys.
That is probably because guys
No, but
are
I think it
slightly more
depends.
distracted.
It depends
or-
what they're interested in. Also,
Yeah.
If
No,
it-
because they're usually
'cause there
forced to
are
do what
girls,
they don't want to
no,
do by
there
their
are girls
parents.
who are like they score highest on mathematics, and there are guys who do better in like science subjects too. But I think whichever interest subject you'll take. But I like eco, so I concentrate more on eco than rather doing math.
So it's per subject
think
based.
It's
then
per
you know how
subject based.
parents
It's not about
sometimes force-
girls who do smart for guys. It's not like that.
It's not like that.
No, we're
I-
not saying that. Now, see, I'm not going subject wise. I'm saying generally, if I am a student of bachelor's, I opted bachelor's because I wanted, like in BBA, because I wanted to be in business, right? I did my MBA because I wanted to be in business, and all my other friends who were boys who were otherwise very smart. When when they used to talk about business, when they used to talk about work, they were much more smarter than me. But when it came to actually studying and taking grades, I was much of a high scorer than them. So why is there a difference? Why are they more? And when you look at the practical side, when you look at them at the jobs, boys excel more than girls, which is true, right?
Okay, they don't excel, पर इस पॉइंट से ये भी आ सकता है कि क्योंकि ज़बरदस्ती उनको क्योंकि घर का मर्द समझा जाता है, घर का रखवाला समझा जाता है, तो इवेंचुअली दे विल हैव टू गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस. सही है ना. लड़कियों का उनका ग्रेड्स पास करने, जैसे मैं इंटर तक आई हैड द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स, उसके बाद फिर गिरने शुरू हो गए थे बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू वर्क. आई वाज नॉट द स्टडीइंग काइंड ऑफ अ किड, राइट? आई वाज एवरेज. तो मेरी डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं आई थी, मेरा खुद ही शौक छूट गया था.
And I think also girls are more focused because I guess that is one activity where they, a lot of girls have situations where they won't be allowed to work after education, right? Either उनकी शादी हो जाती
Yeah,
है या उनको
It's
घर
like a
बैठा दिया
distraction
जाता
for
है.
them.
So that this is like their way of focusing on a one particular field where they think they can excel because later on उनके पास वो opportunities नहीं आएंगी. Although on the
To
other hand,
achieve.
boys know कि यार पढ़ाई तो पढ़ाई जैसे भी करना है, but eventually when we get out in the job market, that's where we have to excel.
Exactly.
Right? But जब बात की जाती है कि जो लड़कियाँ like often my father being a doctor, he said कि मैं अपने टाइम पे भी देखता था and then since I've started working now, तो अब जो when I look at the past or when I look at now, all medical seats are occupied by majority girls, right?
हाँ.
But they never pursue that career. And eventually it's a loss for all those boys who couldn't get that seat at that
Seat.
particular point,
Exactly.
right? Because they are the ones who will
Because-
actually go and excel it.
सही है.
But
So-
there are so many girls who are doctors, and girls, if they work, they usually do end up
But how
being
many of them,
dentists or doctors.
how many of them
Practicing
actually
it,
घर बैठ के
practice?
कुछ करते हैं.
How many of them actually
I don't
practice?
know exactly कितने, but I know that lots of
No,
lots of
there
The
are-
majority
there are
girls
some.
don't continue their
There are
career.
some, but again they are minority. Majority of them हमारे यहाँ I think एक तो societal norm भी है ना कि शादी कर दी and eventually half the families or half your in-laws do not support you working. ठीक है ना? So eventually they sit back home.
Majority.
हाँ, majority of the girls basically are they're not given enough option. उनको बोला जाता है कि नहीं अब आपकी शादी हो गई है, अब आपको घर संभालना है, आपके eventually बच्चे होंगे, आपने बच्चों को संभालना है.
The maximum
आपके
they
पास-
could do
You
a
don't have
tuition
time
center.
कि आप बाहर निकल के जॉब करेंगे. अगर आप जॉब करेंगी तो आपके घर और बच्चों को कौन देखेगा? Because eventually एक औरत की I think prime responsibility समझी जाती है कि वो
बच्चे
बच्चे
देखे
संभाले
और
और घर
घर
को।
संभाले और मियाँ के काम करे.
हम्म।
उसके अलावा
साथ साथ भी तो हो सकता है.
हाँ?
You can do both
You
sides.
can't
Yes,
no,
you can.
How many of
if
you
you
can?
have
Yes, you can.
But
a
how
2-year-old kid,
Now you see, you're
You have a
talking from a
two-year-old.
minority's point of view. That's what my point is. I understand
For
that we're all
majority,
living
this doesn't
here and
happen.
we're working and
My
living.
point is, firstly, it's not a woman's prime responsibility,
Right.
and secondly, even if she has a kid, she can take a while, she can take off for a little while, and she can continue after her child is old enough, where she has someone else to look after
then
her.
it's different. If it's
But she can
child
do
old
it
enough,
side by side.
But see,
I'm not
whatever
saying
you
if
just
she's
the
9
first
months
thing,
pregnant and she should be working, or right after she has a baby, she should
Acha.
be working when the child
a
is
kid
slightly
should
old
be a
enough.
priority, but
Ah.
she should also be given the choice
Yeah.
of working and
Working.
managing. And I think working women manage their home much better than a housewife
Exactly.
or a full-time job.
'Cause they have
Because
something-
they're not
something
going
better
crazy,
to
they
do,
have a
huh?
distraction, they're not around the kids all the time, so they don't want to
and
like
also I
kill
think
them.
because
but
they
it's not
know.
kids. It's something
Kill them
different they're
for
No,
gonna
it's
do.
also
instead of being
because they know
housewives.
that they're working and they have kids at home, so they know the time management
Prioritize.
and they know that they will have to prove
They miss
themselves
them more,
at
I
each
guess.
role.
They miss them more because they
See,
don't see
And
them
also
as
because they know
much.
that they want to
But-
spend the quality time.
Exactly.
Right, and they also know कि उनको फिर हर as a mother भी उनको prove करना है, as a working woman भी उनको prove करना है, as a wife भी उनको prove करना है, so they make sure कि वो हर role को
And I
But
guess
if
life
you-
manage
is,
करें.
इस जिंदगी को देखा जाए तो it's much more enjoyable this way. बजाय मैंने देखा है जो घर पे खवातीन रहती हैं जिनकी
Frustrated.
फ्रस्ट्रेटेड क्या फितना मचाती हैं वो घर में बैठ के और
हर एक
कुछ
नहीं,
नहीं.
mostly.
No, but there is a solution.
Majority.
Like, solution भी है इसका कि and like not only Pakistan but other countries, there are women who work, but they have daycare centers where they send their children
Yeah,
to.
we have.
We don't have
many
we don't
of
have something
those.
like that.
We
कि-
do
They
have
don't have
daycare
the trend
centers.
of day. There are, but वो इतना
नहीं, but-
सोसाइटी में बुरा माना जाता है कि
हाँ,
जब माएँ
हाँ,
लोग बच्चा
this
को
is the
क्यों
thing.
इतना
छोड़ के जा
लोग
रही है
यूज नहीं
This is
करते
the
हैं तो
thing,
वो
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा उनको फियर है.
But ये daycare में देते हैं कि उसको कुछ और कर देगा.
लेकिन
मेरा
हमारे
बेटा मुझसे दूर
हालात
हो
इतने
जाएगा.
सही नहीं है कि आप बच्चे को डे केयर सेंटर पे छोड़ के चले
Agreed.
जाओ. हमारे हालात भी खराब हैं. So
Agreed.
I wouldn't blame the parents.
पर फोकस
अच्छा,
इशू पे वापस आते हैं लड़के
के
लड़कियों के.
Stay-
But you know, talking about
focus
boys, I
issue.
think generally boys are more smarter practically, and वो इतना theory and they don't like reading and stuff.
They're more in active
I-
work.
Yeah.
Do active work.
We had a forum in I think grade 6 where we were told that girls have 12 points from where they think and लड़कों के शायद सिर्फ 3 होते हैं. I think वो
It's
brain
the
में कुछ
brain
होता है.
वाला ना?
It's हाँ,
Brain एक
something I'm not sure but it's something
It's
related
the
to the
wire in the
brain
box,
which is why a
remember?
girl thinks slightly ज़्यादा
It's girl-
emotionally and a
girls
guy
have
thinks
wires,
only
right?
like practically ज़्यादातर. पर उस वजह से they're probably better at those subjects while a girl is better at other subjects usually.
So I guess let's wrap it up here, and I think both are equally good at their own areas of expertise. If girls excel more in colleges and school, does not mean that the boy is not capable or smart enough. They eventually prove themselves in the work life. And also, I think a very important message that goes out here is that please, I understand we are not very modern. We still have our values and norms, but it is always important for you to support your sister, your daughter, your wife, your mother, to
Or
step
any
out
other
of the-
woman,
or any other woman, to actually step out of the house and do what she wants to do in life instead
they
of
have a
dying
life.
with the
She has
feeling that she
feelings and
wasn't.
she
yeah.
has
They have-
a
they
life.
have
Instead of
also have a
actually
life.
letting her die with the feeling that she did not achieve anything while she was alive. So I guess with this note, we're going to take this.
Hang
program
on.
to-
Not saying that just her sitting at home and looking after kids is
It's not them,
responsibility.
but
that's on
somewhere
one side,
it is.
just to add.
They have,
Kuch
you know,
galat
they
kiya
want to
jata
do
hai.
something
Thank
other
you,
than
Malia.
just being a
I
mother.
had to add that.
And I don't mean that mother is not a
Yeah,
good job. It's
that's
a full-time
also a
perfect
full-time
job,
job.
but I guess they need more than that.
She needs to participate in the
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
If she wants to, she should be allowed to. Not that if she's sitting at home and being a full-time mom, that's not a responsibility. That is
Right.
also a responsibility.
So on this note, we're going to bring this program to an end. If you guys have any feedbacks or you want us to talk over a certain topic, please you can post it down and we'll be waiting for your comments. Bye.
Bye.